I'm happy to announce the new course review is coming out, so if you're interested too, stay tuned. Making $100,000. Characters I met along the way that stepped in and are a big part of my story. There, so stay tuned. I wanted to make this quick announcement video to everyone, just to really explain myself. People have been getting in touch a lot with me lately to kind of review more courses and to review other YouTubers, and I've been kind of pushing it away because there's been so many things in the way. Originally when I started stock trading, I wanted to get access to this course and to really get under it and see what the course is like. About 2 months ago I got the course in question and I'm nearly completed. I have about 2 weeks left to finish the course. And I just wanted to let you guys know that's what's been holding me off so long for doing other reviews and to break down other YouTubers for you guys. So I kind of wanted to explain myself in that situation. But I'm happy to announce that the long wait is over and that this review is coming next is the Foos 4. It is the full Foos 4 Pro package that I do have access to, and I am about 80% complete of the course, and I'm so excited to really break it down, get into the nitty and the gritty with you guys and give you my full 100% honest opinion as per usual in this course breakdown, and to let you guys know what I think of it. So I'm so excited to release the review for you guys and to give you my feedback on it, and I hope you all enjoy, so stay tuned.